morning, guys. So this is the very first vlog of 2022. Take off my glasses. I look really tired this morning because I am tired, because Noah's deciding now that he wants to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and he does not want to go back asleep. He's just like wired. So we're having a fun time with that. I'm with Paddy this morning. I'm going to get my nails done. My car's getting an NCT done today. There's a few bits and pieces going on, other things that I will reveal shortly, but yeah, we're having a very busy day today. My mum is going to, I think they're staying in the Sheridan today or tonight. It's her birthday. Yeah, happy birthday to my mama bear. Need to go do something first and then yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. Guys, I am so bad at vlogging today. I'm trying to turn on the light here in the kitchen. I am so bad at vlogging today. I've missed a lot. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to continue on with the vlogging tomorrow. My car passed the NCT, which I'm so excited about, and these are my new nails. I just got like pink, like a, what, not even a baby pink, like a pink gel and some gold foil, because I think the next nails I'm going to get are just going to be white tips, like a French polish, I think, because I'm starting back work the next time I get my nails done, so I'm just gonna go for something really plain. I know they're kind of like natural, but like the gold foil, I don't know, I don't really know. So I've no real other news. I did like all my returns and stuff that I needed to do earlier. No one's down napping at the moment. Paddy's gone to football training. My mum and dad are gone. I also ordered my mum a birthday cake and I booked dinner for Sunday night. She doesn't know any of this yet, but like by the time this vlog goes up she will know. So I did all that today and I'm really excited to celebrate her birthday with her. So I'm gonna make myself some dinner. I'm gonna make something really quick and easy. I think maybe like a pasta dish or something, because like I said, I'm on my own tonight and there's no point in making dinner for everyone. I made enchiladas last night and they were delicious. I will do a little bit of a better vlog tomorrow when I have a bit more time. Just today was chaotic, but I just thought I'd check back in with all those mini updates. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys. From me and my panda eyes. I don't know why my eyes are looking like that this morning. I hope you're having a really fabulous day so far. It's actually quite cold this morning. I forgot my dressing gown and left it upstairs, so I think I'm gonna have to go back up and get that. And I have Noah wrapped up in a jumper. Noah and I woke up later than normal. We usually wake up around, I don't know, anywhere between 8:30 and 9, but we woke up at 9:45 this morning and it has just gone 10:10 now, so I'm gonna give him his breakfast. Do you want breakfast? You starving for breakfast? I have to wait for it to cool down. Noah, it's too hot. I know, it's too hot. It's very excited over breakfast, so I have to distract him while it's cooling down because it's burned the mouth off him. I know, I'm sorry, but I made it too hot this morning. Silly mammy. Noah's a lot happier now, he's fed. So I don't really have any major plans today. I think I might go to Home Savers. I know I need to get baby girls for Noah because he is growing out of them lengthwise. He's such a tall baby. Like, we had him beside his little cousin there like a couple of weeks ago and he's at least like a couple of inches taller than him, and they're the same age. Like, there's only a few days between them. I bought this like little travel mug in, I think, Mr. Price, and it's like the best thing ever. I think I'm gonna get a second one. What's going on, baby? What's going on? Maybe you want to get out? Okay, I think I'll take him out. I know I just did not want me talking to you guys. Instead, he is in his walker. We weren't going to get him a walker, and then Dad bought one for him just before Christmas and he is obsessed with it. He's just like running around the place, and poor Chewy does not love it because he keeps hitting off Chewy, so we have to like move Chewy into a different room when he's in it because he only stays in the kitchen for about 10 minutes and then he gets really fed up. Also, can we admire my little hair growth? Look at all these bits of hair growing back. Remember I was like, oh, I didn't lose any hair postpartum. Yeah, I lost loads of hair and it's all growing back, but it looks horrific, and all like the regrowth is all really spiky. I also need to get my roots done, but I think I'll wait for a little while to get them done because I'd like a little bit more regrowth before I start putting blonde hair dye. I don't get my hair bleached anymore. My hairdresser uses, I don't know, some hair dye that has like Olaplex in it, and it just really helps with the regrowth of my hair because it is strong as it is. But I just can't believe how much hair I lost, and it's everywhere. You can see the little spikes when my hair is down, like all these wispy bits. Just had no idea that I lost that much. I was talking about these coffee cups as well. Picked them up in Mr. Price. Definitely going to get another one. I love them. They're just so handy as well. He's really not happy at all. And I do ironing, trying to do the laundry. He's having none of it. He was really sick last week. I just think he's still kind of at that clingy stage. I'm not really sure what he had. We just had him at the doctor and he just had a roaring temperature. But he was fine then. He just kind of recovered. But he has been so clingy since he's been sick. He won't let me out of his sight. He wants to be carried and held. So it's just a bit of a struggle to try and do anything, isn't it, mister? Yeah, because you just want to hang out with me. Look how long his hair is getting. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so cute. I got sent the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I know it's like more of a dewy formula, so I'm really excited to give that a try. I will maybe do a wear test on it tomorrow. I'll start doing my wear test. I'll do a wear test in the morning. I have another Zara order. Noah! My God, he got hold of my glasses. He was trying to pull the arms off. No, you can't do that. They're Mommy's glasses. Oh my God. Trying to pull the arm off them. Here he was, reefing it. So I'll show you all the new Zara stuff when it arrives. Hopefully it arrives tomorrow because it's out for delivery today. But you don't know how long it's going to take. Sorry, Noah keeps pulling the camera. I just realised that I forgot to show you guys. I made Thai curry and I just forgot to vlog it. Paddy's currently feeding Noah stew. Because we made a big batch of stew the other day. I froze some of it, so he's still eating it. Loving it, yes. So I just made Thai chicken curry. It's green curry and then there's rice boiling, and I hate the way the rice splashes all over the place. So yeah, that's just what we're having for dinner. Something quick and easy. I had no green peppers or green runner beans or sugar snaps, which I usually like to put in it. So I just put in red and yellow peppers, which I don't really like as much in it because it's green, and I prefer the greens in it, if that makes sense, and I put them into a Thai red. Guys, I meant to end my vlog yesterday, but I didn't, so we're going to continue on again today. I'm sitting down to film a video. Noah is still asleep. It's 8:30, so I reckon I'll get another half an hour out of him. So I'm going to try out the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Hang on, I have it here. I have it in the shade 7 Neutral. I hope it matches me. I'm 7 Neutral in the Airbrush Flawless foundation, and it's just a little bit dark at the moment. So we're going to see what this looks like. I might need a lightning drop with it or something, but I'm going to do first impressions on that now while he's asleep and I have the time. And if he does sleep on, I'm going to try the Catrice 5 in a box mini eyeshadow palettes. I've never tried these before, and a couple of other Catrice products, so we'll see how we get on with the filming this morning. But I'm gonna start now because, like I said, he could wake up at any moment. But the first impressions is that they're normally kind of quick and easy to start, and then I just do like little dip-ins throughout the day. So hopefully I can get that video filmed today. Just finished filming the video with the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Sorry, I've been really quiet. Noah's just gone down for a nap. It sounds like he sleeps all the time, but he's not. He's been awake for the last few hours. We had peanut butter and toast for breakfast, and I'm trying to introduce like new allergens every week, like things that he could possibly be allergic to. So this week I was doing peanuts. We tried eggs, and he's okay with eggs. He's okay with loads of different fruits. Such a delicate balancing act. Obviously his digestive system is still developing. I think what I'm going to do for lunch is an omelette for him. Been fun testing out different types of foods. His favorite food is definitely stew. He loves stew. Both his grandmothers make lovely stew, so if he could eat stew every day he would, which is great because it's like full of nutrients. So I'm gonna go down and try and edit a video while I can. I've literally spent the last like 15 minutes doing like a speed clean downstairs. I've thrown on a wash, and I have to clean up this bedroom because it's just a hot mess after filming. And I still have my dressing gown on because I'm actually freezing. I don't know why I'm so cold today. The heating is on full blast and I'm still freezing. It's like the cold has gone into my body. Really need to get editing because I have so many videos that I have like backlogged, and I still have like 3 more videos planned that I want to get out before I go back to work. So I'm just hoping that I can get them all filmed for you guys. Go pick up that birthday cake as well in the next like half an hour. I'm just gonna wait for Noah to wake up, and a bouquet of flowers that I have for her. My mum is home from the hotel in the next few hours with my dad, so I'm just hoping that I can get the cake and everything before she arrives in the door. My sister's coming over this evening as well. I can't wait to see her. I haven't seen Ollie since New Year's Eve, so I'm really looking forward to seeing her. It's been ages and I just need to like sit down and catch up with her. So she's home all weekend. Really excited just to have like a nice little family weekend. And then we're over in Paddy's house for the next week and a half. It's all go, go, go crazy. And then I am back to work in 10 days. No, I'll be turning 9 months by the time I go back, so it's going to be hard to leave him. So I'm going to play it by ear and see how we get on with back to work, because I do have an opportunity to work 3 days a week, so I'm just going to see what way it goes, if I prefer to work full-time or the 3 days. I'm not really sure yet, obviously, because I haven't been back in, and then I don't know if I'm in the office or out of the office, so I'm not really sure what way everything's gonna go. So yeah, I'm really excited about going back to work, but I'm also really nervous at the same time, because it's a whole new job, it's a whole new relationship with different people. It's all new. It's very fun and exciting, but nerve-wracking at the same time. And also, since the first time having Noah, I'm going to be away from him for a prolonged period of time, and it's just going to be hard. Like, I'm going to miss him so much, because we're with each other all day every day, and I love our little routine that we have every day, and it's just going to be different. But I'm sure, like any of you guys who've had babies and you're going back to work, you all kind of have the same feeling about it. I'm sure you're all like excited, and then some of you are not so excited, and then you're nervous, and then you want to get back into like a work routine, but then you're also going to miss like your babies. So yeah, I'm excited, but like I said, a bit nervous about the whole thing. So I'm just back from picking up Mum's flowers. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Love them so much. And then I was just giving Noah some lunch. He's in the walker, so I'm going to take him out now, change him. What's wrong? He can't say dada yet, he just says mama all the time. Yes, yes, yes. You want to come out? Oh, okay. Okay. He's like, stop talking to yourself. Take me out, woman. So I just did my 8-hour check-in of this foundation. I just put Noah down for his nap. I'm watching and just like this. So I'm going to end this vlog now. I'm going to enjoy spending time with my family this evening, and I will talk to all you guys in my next vlog. Sorry, this vlog is all over the place. I've just so much going on lately, and so much going on in my personal life. I will speak to you guys about it shortly, I promise. It's just, it's not the time right now, so I will divulge everything. At my head, there's a lot going on in it. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.